but we observe a number of cases that is higher than normally we've seen during the last few weeks.
With COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations rising in Quebec due to the more transmissible BA2 variant spreading, the province's interim public health director, Dr. Luc Boileau, in a rare Sunday press conference calling for everyone's help, saying Quebec isn't officially in a sixth wave just yet, but all indicators show we're on a path to it.
It's not a surprise. It was expected because of the measures that have been released. We're not officially in a sixth wave. We will wait most probably a few days or maybe a week or two. It depends on how it's going to progress.
I think it's fairly clear to most people that cases are going up and that there is going to be a sixth wave. How big it's going to be and how long it's going to last remains to be seen.
Let's try to live with it right now. And even if there's a progression, let's try. And I think it's feasible to work with the capacity of the population to adjust itself.
Boileau says authorities don't plan to put forth any new restrictions for the population, but says it's important that people act responsibly during gatherings and social activities as the virus is spreading there, and get tested and stay home if they become sick.
You have to be vigilant. Here's the thing, even irrespective of COVID, if you're sick, if you have symptoms, don't interact with other people. You will make them sick. Just spreading a cold is not an act of kindness. You know, you're going to induce suffering on other people.
I mean, I think people are getting a little bit too comfortable at this point. A lot of people are saying, oh, the pandemic's over, and they're kind of acting like the pandemic's over when, we keep seeing case numbers going up. So obviously, it's a little bit of a cause for being nervous.
I think our economy has suffered enough, and I feel that people are getting frustrated, and it's best if we move forward and we deal with things as they arise.
Those who are more at risk of developing complications following the infection, be it due to age or because they're immunosuppressed, should exercise greater caution, public health says. Quebec mask mandates for public places are still in place until at least April 15th, Boileau said, unless the situation changes, with masks on public transit set to be dropped early May.
If cases are surging, you have a more infectious variant, telling people to take off their masks is not going to help the situation. It's only going to make it worse.
I think I still feel safe. It's just a little bit, I don't really agree with the mask mandate dropping. I think it's a little too early with cases going up. I think it should still be there. Masks help. I feel like if we keep, wearing masks and, trying to social distance as best as possible, staying home if you're sick, there is an end in sight, even if we don't really know where it is yet.
In Montreal, Felisha Adam, City News.